This is a great meeting for trainees to attend, but also we hope that a lot of the more seasoned investigators that want to learn something about a very different topic, but also just really have a lot of interaction with the experts. I think this would be an ideal one to choose. We're going through a real renaissance where a number of exciting basic findings are being more rapidly translated into the clinical setting. We will discuss stem cells and tumor dormancy, immunology and immunotherapy, the tumor microenvironment, genetic heterogeneity. We would also like to highlight what we think are cutting-edge technologies. The benefit of these smaller meetings, in contrast to the general meeting, which has better than 18,000 attendees, and I think those have their own benefit, but this is where the junior researcher, I think, just by definition has more access to the speakers and the organizers. Also built into the meeting are sessions specifically for the young researchers, career choices, how to think about looking for a job, how to break into a new field. So I actually think for the more junior researchers, the more focused, smaller meetings are actually more beneficial to them in terms of getting to know the people in the field and network. Immunology and immunotherapy is garnering a great deal of attention. People see this as a paradigm shift in clinical treatment. But of course, those approaches are going to be coupled with interventions that attack changes in metabolism, genetic heterogeneity, tumor cell dormancy, the impact of circulating tumor cells. So we have an eye towards clinical intervention, but this meeting is really meant to talk about what we believe is the cutting edge of our fundamental understanding of each of these topics. This is a way to cover all of those topics, but in a smaller setting that I think really promotes the maximum amount of exchange, not just between the experts that will be in attendance, but the trainees that want to learn something about what we think are the most exciting areas right now. I think this is the perfect meeting to put on your calendar.